Alright, moment of truth. Today's the day. Alright, what's going on? It's Creeperhater here, and today is a huge day. Today is the day I'm finally going to build my computer. It's actually very exciting to say that. I know it's kind of hard for me to tell I'm excited, but it's pretty late. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I just got home from work, and I got my phone. I was on my phone at work. Don't tell anybody. And it said my final part, which was my CPU, has arrived. So let's get building. Before I move forward, I actually did want to show you the benchmarks of my computer, my current computer, but it kind of crapped out on me like a week ago. So I just haven't used my laptop. This computer I got in the Christmas of 2011, and so it's pretty old. When I first got it, it only had 3 gigs of RAM. But as I started to learn more about what computers were when I needed to get my own good one, I decided to upgrade it. So I put 8 gigs of RAM in it, a GT GeForce 610, and that's it in terms of upgrades. The CPU it had running was an Intel Pentium, and I think the base speed was 2.6, so pretty low. As you can tell from the specs of my own computer, it sucked in terms of playing games. So I'm very excited to build this new one and play lots more games on it, so let's do it. Let's first talk about what's going in my new computer. First things first, my case is an H500P from Cooler Master, and it is powered by a 550 watt power supply from Corsair. The motherboard is an Asus Strix B360F gaming motherboard. My GPU is a GeForce GTX 1070 Ti. The thing that's going to be cooling this build is a Corsair H115i Pro. For storage, I'm using a Western Digital Blue M.2, 500 gigs. For my kit of RAM, it is a G.Skill Trident Z RGB, 16 gigs. And finally, the center of it all is a i7 8700K from Intel.
I can't believe we're on this road, same one we've been down before. I close my eyes and hold on tight. This isn't how love's supposed to be, no. To me you mean everything, but I can't see you don't feel the same. Loving me is no crime that you can't see. We could be everything. You say it's a lie, you can't love me, just let me leave. Tonight, when all the secrets that you're hiding all come out and haunt you now, I would have stayed there forever, 'cause your touch puts an end to never. Don't pretend that you forget. Loving me is no crime that you can't see. We could be everything. You say it's a lie, you can't love me, just let me leave.
30 seconds and counting. The guidance system will go internal at the 17-second mark. Now 25 seconds. We have complete clearance to launch. We are go. 20. 1. All engines running. Launch commit. Liftoff. We have liftoff at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tower is clear. And we have a roll program.
Alright, well, there's my new computer. I'm at a loss for words, really. Like, I can't, like, I'm just looking at it right now in the background, and it's amazing. Like, I don't really know what else I can do to make it better. Yeah, I haven't loaded into Windows yet, because it's in the BIOS, and I just, I haven't put Windows on it yet. But I do have, where is it? This one right here. This has Windows on it, and I just haven't done it yet, because, again, it's now late. I don't even know what time it is, to be honest. That aside, it's amazing. Like, my computer, it's amazing. I'm actually really excited to just try out some games. Maybe in another video I'll benchmark it. I don't know. I'm not really sure what games I have that would, like, test this computer. Maybe Batman Arkham Knight, Gary's Mods. That's really about it. Maybe Sniper Elite V2. Day of Infamy. Whatever. I do have a few games that I have been saving for a good computer. Maybe PUBG. I don't have that yet, but it's definitely on my wish list. And the Steam Winter Sale is happening right now because it's a few days after Christmas. Day today. Anyway, that's enough of me talking. I hope you enjoyed the video. And this also, first of all, doubles as my video for the New Year's, which I wanted to get this video out before New Year's. And this also means I'm going to be recording a lot more, and also streaming. I actually really like streaming. I've streamed like a little bit on my friend's computer not too long ago. He was like, "Hey, do you want to like stream?" And like on his computer, his is like a beast of a computer. He can like put, in his case, he can probably put 2 computers in his giant case he has. But anyway, I actually like doing it. And it's just, recording and streaming are just 2 separate things, I think, anyway. Obviously they're 2 separate things, but it's like there's like a certain game and like specific thing you're supposed to do for recording, and then there's a certain game and thing you're supposed to do for streaming. It's just kind of how I feel about it. I don't know, but I'm really excited to just get out there in the YouTube world, the internet land, and see what really works for me. Playing game streaming, Twitch streaming, off and on here and there. Maybe YouTube, I don't know, whatever, we'll see what it is. Hopefully this new computer will help me do that. I am super excited. Very happy with how it looks, how it turns out. Pretty excited to try out Windows, get Windows on it. It's in the M.2 right now. I actually want to mess around with the M.2, or the M.2, and the BIOS. I actually want to poke around, but I just haven't, because I've just recorded this video first. And yeah, I don't even know what I'm looking at when I look at that. So, I don't know. But I'm just going to have to poke around, see what I can see. Look up stuff on my phone, because I can't, look stuff up right now on my thing. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will definitely see you when I see you, whenever I upload stuff. I'm going to make it more frequent. But anyway, it's been Creeperhater, and I'll see you all later. See you later.